Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho ticketing system. Open Zoho and click Tickets, then create a new ticket to follow along step by step. Start by entering customer contact, issue summary, and related product information so each ticket is searchable. Next, choose priority and department and set SLA times to manage expectations. Keep your ticket categories consistent so reporting stays accurate and team handoffs are smooth and quick. When managing tickets, stay organized by updating status and adding clear notes for both customers and team members. Use tags, custom fields, and canned responses to speed handling and keep communication consistent across agents. Prioritize tickets by SLA and use assignment rules to route issues automatically to the right department. Regularly review pending tickets to prevent backlog and use reporting to spot recurring issues and training opportunities for the team. Quick recommendation: if you like reading docs on the go, the Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy to study guides and tickets from anywhere with great battery life. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful tutorials and updates about Zoho and support best practices. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals to grab one if you want. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Automation helps you scale support without losing quality, so set workflow rules to auto-assign, notify stakeholders, and update statuses when triggers occur. Use macros for frequent replies, and combine them with templates to keep messaging consistent across channels. Schedule reports on SLA compliance, agent productivity, and ticket categories to spot trends and bottlenecks. Review automation outcomes regularly and refine rules so your system stays efficient and your customers stay satisfied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.